Hey guys, Gary here with the third and final round of It Was Intentional. I die a little inside every time I say that, just so you guys know. It's all in the name of comedy. We're gonna keep this. Let's hope we get a decent amount of mana that I can just surprise fuck you over with when you drop Krenko. Which means I will definitely be nature's luring for something that makes red and green. Oh, that's sweet. You start out with a fucking goblin. A fucking goblin. Chancellor of the Forge bastard. It's so hard to keep playing against people that get like the first turn reveal and you get to start with the Stark advantage. The Chancellor's not so bad. The ley lines, man, do those make you not want to play anymore. Alright, all I need is one more land and I get to play a Prophet of Krufix, on her, respective turn. Yep, I'm definitely in Nature Lore for something that makes red. Hopefully I draw something else that makes red. And I can Magma Quake away a bunch of goblins. Oh, look at that, it makes red! I am not in a bad state. Yet. I mean, it is literally turn 3, or turn 2, my bad. So, yeah, any number of things could go south. Skull Clamp. You dirty, dirty bastard. Biscuit man. You're a biscuit man. Man, that is not bad. Let's go ahead and harrow. What should we sack? Well, let's just sack a forest. We'll grab another forest. And we'll grab another island. And our first island? A island. We will grab a island. Trigon Predator. Gonna fuck up your Skull Clamp. Potentially. Nice. That's really good with Krenko. And I will destroy it. There really is no reason... Well, actually there is. I lie. I could play Prophet of Krufix, and then on the end of his turn, play Intet. Undo. Let's attack with the Trigon Predator. And destroy Fervor. Play Prophet. It's pretty cool having Intet able to be flashed in. Not gonna lie. Also, okay, yeah, that's fine. It's totally not worth blocking if he attacks. Yeah, you go ahead and get your 3 points of damage. I probably would have done that before attacking. Which kind of tells me that he had something planned. Rug is such a broken color combination. I feel dirty, but also full of nihilistic glee every time I play this deck. Equip. Yep. I don't mind if you have less blockers. Oh, fuck, I didn't... God damn it. Didn't play Intet. I'm a dummy. Let's put that on top. I am so angry with myself right now. Man, am I angry. Ugh. God, I gotta stop clicking through so fast. If I lose now, you know why. That's a cool card. I like that one. Wild guess. It's not that wild of a guess when you think about it. I mean, you know exactly what you're discarding. Yep. This time, I will flash in Intet to block the Foundry fella. Each goblin. Oh, shit. He's got options. If he plays Krenko, oh yeah, that's desertion. Do I desertion? I think I do, because that severely neuters his deck. Yep, that neutered him so hard he didn't feel like playing anymore. Forced. Okay. That was really short. Let's do another one. I've got an addiction. Sorry. Hello, guys. Let's play one last... I keep saying that. One last... Intet. This is a good ramp hand with something to give my fellas a haste. I wish it would stop making me do this again. Darretti! Crows and Grip seems pretty good against Darretti. Not gonna lie. Let's Ancient Tomb, and then I can, Harrow. Oh, shit. I can do that all on the same turn. I almost passed right through it. Let's Harrow. Get rid of the forest. Let's grab a forest and an island. And let's Nature's Lore. This is not a bad turn 2. Nature's Lore. I think I should grab another island thingy. No. Yes. 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 No. Yes. Yes. Maybe. Alright, so next turn I play the Timur Ascendancy. and maybe destroy any artifacts that he throws out. Maybe. Maybe not. Red Ascendancy. Probably should have grabbed another thing that makes red. You know what? I'm totally gonna make my own Hypocrisite, because then that will suspend the phantasmal image if it dies. But I'm not gonna attack. It's the only thing that sucks about those explosive mana hands is how much you empty your hand out. That's a good card for Darretti. I actually do not play it in my Darretti. What elves? More like nah dog, elves. Draw a card. Yeah. Always yes. Always yield. Oh, that's pretty unfortunate. I guess I can wood elves first. Unfortunately, I cannot activate. The Timur Ascendancy is really awesome. This is a good card. Fires of Yavimaya that draws you cards. I mean, you cannot complain about that. I will totally block and suspend my phantasmal image. I love how that works. And I get the first suspend trigger. Dax duplicate. Let's first run in and see what we can get off of Intet. A taiga. Alrighty. Let's drop the wood elves. We have a stomping ground. No. I would have preferred not hitting taiga, but oh well. You win some, you lose some. I think what I will do next turn is drop Vigor. The only removal Darretti has is in the form of burning things. Vigor is pretty awesome at protecting that. And then when I have Phantasmal Image come down, it can come down as a Vigor. I don't have anything in my graveyard, do I? Oh, I have a couple things, but they're not worth grabbing. Green, 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 green. Vigor. And I get to draw a card. Yee! Oh, Dual Caster Mage. Oh, yeah. No Intet trigger, but that's fine. Yeah, the Phantasmal Image slams down like a meteorite as a Vigor, and I can swing in for 18, 19 damage. That seems perfectly fine. As a Vigor. Yeah, I get to draw an extra card. La 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 la. Yep. That is going to be enough for tonight. What two cards would I have drawn? Bane and Phyrexian Ingester. Bane of Progress is just a bomb against Darretti. Well, thanks for joining me for those mini games. For those of you wondering, I played 5 games and I lost one. The one that I did not upload, of course. It was against Skitherix. I had to mulligan to 5, and it was a sacrifice deck, including making me sacrifice my lands and whatnot, and it was just a really frustrating game. So, but 4 wins and 1 loss, not too bad. Thanks for watching. You guys have a great evening.